Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be doing our Marvel Studios Avengers series. Here's the unboxing and reviewing. I'm going to be doing Force Hammer Momia from the upcoming Thor Love and Thunder movie. Which you're going to see Jane Foster using the hammer from the trailers that we've seen. And you can see his hammer is in got some parts on it because in if you guys remember from Thor Ragnarok, after Hela had escaped from her imprisonment, she destroyed Thor's hammer, and this hammer has some lights and sound effects. And you can see right here, the hammer, and it's got its own standard there, kind of like Lego how Mommy does, as I'm going to be getting ready to do so. And here's the side of the hammer. And you can see there's some markings right on the box, right on the hammer right there. And here's the other side. And it shows just the hammer and what else it says. I thought there's a GameStop over in Vancouver as in Richmond Center. And now let's open up the box and see how it looks like with its real stand and stuff. It comes in this little cardboard thing right here. I will instruction but to show how to put in the batteries and stuff. I think this might be the stand or something. Wait, no, here's the stand. And this is the stand for Momia. Yeah, now let's try and get the hammer out here. And here's the hammer. You can press on the button right here, which can right up. Then get the batteries and put the batteries right into the hammer right here, so I can show you guys the light starts on the hammer right here. And I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds. Before I continue on with the unboxing review, going to mention only 6.4% of you guys are subscribed to the channel, for the 93.6% and who are not subscribed, please turn on the notification bell and press that red subscribe button so you can be notified when a new video uploads. Also, if you enjoy the video, give it a like. And now let's head back to the Thor Love and Thunder Momia Marvel Studios Heroes Legend series, and enjoy the rest of the video. And I'm back, and that body's into Momia here now. And before I show you what it does, it's got the has symbols right on the top right here. And I'll show you guys the stand. So just going move this over here. Show you guys what's that right on stand. And here's what it looks like right on the stand. And it's pretty good for displaying on your shelf within your room and stuff. And I know it's has that headed right into the features here. Just going to move back to in front of me. And then going to on the lights so you can see it way better in the dark. And there's a button in here, and when you press it, it makes noises, and you can see lights right within, and you can do it again, and it does more noises, and it does when 4 makes lightning noises. Going to put this back onto its stand. I'm now going to turn the lights back on. Here's finish off today's unboxing review. And that's about it for today's Marvel Studios Legends series. His unboxing review. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing my standard Swap Force gameplay video. And Miss Marvel episode 5 review is going to be on Wednesday. And on Thursday or Friday I'm going to be doing my Thor Love and Thunder MCU Spoiler Free review. And stay tuned for those upcoming videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you're new. Let's get this channel up to 100 subscribers. And I'm almost midway to the 100 subscribers. As I'm currently at 93 subscribers. And so, share this with anybody you know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for my Skylanders Swap Force gameplay video. And peace.